Shit going
Right
on.
there. Boy, on there.
Yeah, he pushing that motherfucker.
You feel the lean. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he wants you to hear, nigga, I'm coming through.
Yeah.
But yeah,
That's
man.
some shit.
What it say? That nigga say, duck low and shoot and stay low. All that
Say
he.
to Biggie.
Yeah, what you was saying, Biggie
Say
saying.
stay low and keep fire.
Fucking right.
Stay low.
Keep
Keep
fine,
shit.
get a nigga ass out for you. And the boy on Belly, like you said, the boy was doing good. He got up, started making all that noise. We would have stayed there. That lady wouldn't have came down there. She ain't know where Ox was at.
He went down talking that shit.
Making announcements and shit. That bitch jumped out of nowhere. I split that nigga. What that nigga say? I went to that nigga house. That nigga slope with dope was flipped from here to here.
Hey.
Ox had Tommy do that. Pull up on that man.
Beg for $1.
That's $5.
Cold blood, man. Big girl.
Nah,
nigga.
if you would've just
New
gave
York
it-
to come kill it.
Rob
in
Jamaica.
Like, come on, man. Like, well, that's a cold guy. You know you can't get nobody from Jamaica to
They
do
wouldn't
that
fuck
whole
with that
ass
boy.
shit. They wasn't gonna do
Nah,
that.
him.
You can't go hire nobody to do it.
They would have went
so
back and told the people.
That's why he was
That's
like,
why he had
man,
to look at it.
I'm gonna let you get that work.
I'm gonna do that, but he say,
But
I'm gonna need you in the long run. Like, he didn't know what it was. I got you. And just bit there, I got you. Knowing, not knowing, you gotta go.
He
Yeah.
took that man over there. They was getting high, mugging him. He telling them like, man, that nigga here, man, yeah, he think he this, but I'm the top shot of it. Blah, 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 blah.
And then,
Oh, yeah. But so that nigga
How
had Tommy Brown
get
get died. Beg for $1. So, man, Tommy Brown got died on him, man.
that's $1.
Beg for $1.
That's $1.
Man was finna give him some money,
Nah,
man.
the man was in
Man.
there playing, searching. If he would have been on point and would just gave
He
him
was finna
something
give
and
him,
dropped,
nah, I'm just saying.
he probably could have drove off.
Man, them people smoke blunts as big as this right here.
Yeah.
So, come on, man. That man slow responding and everything. I really don't usually give niggas nothing, but I'm with the little bitch. I don't want to look like I'm shy like that, so I'm finna try to find the niggas something. I really don't like these niggas big, you know, but I don't find no change quick enough, and homie. Shorty get up out there.
But they knew it was him that did it because, nigga, you come back in town and then
Showing out. You was at the club the other night. And now you gone. But my nigga stepped on that. They did that shit like you come like we don't know this a foreigner, homie. This a American that you with. That's why you ain't walk up on him as no American. You walked up on him playing like he a roster.
He couldn't walk up on
I
him.
know. So
Because that would have really got
that's what I'm saying.
But them people was
But
like,
them
hold
people
on.
like, man, nah, yeah, because wasn't no
Leonard
roster,
Kane.
ain't no roster around here. Never do that. Because the shorty, whatever description she gives is the same one we saw. So when the people find out, they like, man, come on, man, we know what that is, man. That man got somebody from out the States, from the United States to come do that. He been in New York getting busy. We know what he doing. You feel me? He think he want to come back here and run something. But he can't do that. Unless he get homie out the way. See?
But homie and them in the land in the field, you done left Jamaica. They out here. They out here, nigga, ain't born nothing.
You send somebody to Jamaica to step on my boy, I'm finna send somebody from Jamaica to go to the U.S. and step on
you.
Like,
Yeah.
that's whatever.
That's what they did.
I mean, tit for tat. You know. We
You
told
gonna
them
get
they
your
weren't gonna
B.
let they make it.
You gonna get your B. You gonna get your B.
They made that man strip.
Sure.
Strip. Shouldn't have done him like that, man. But
Nah.
nah, they did him like that, man. But he called him and said he was talking about robbing his homie before.
Yeah, he shot like the nigga was talking about getting that shit set up. Word, that's your man. Yo, man.
Or where that blood at, dog?
It's over
They
there.
were like, it's over
Go
there.
get it.
Script, dude. Man, that shit.
But
crazy.
Juice, remember we was talking about, Juice, man, that nigga Bishop was a snake ass nigga, man. He was the snakiest of them all. Rotten ass nigga to the core.
Oh shit, a nigga blessed to not have had a group of friends like that nigga.
Nah, they
like,
got them
nah,
niggas.
that's what I'm saying.
Niggas don't know
like
like
niggas.
go.
Nah, that's what I'm saying. You got, all your partners you grew up with and friends you grew up with. You wasn't with no snakes like that. You feel me? Like, it's some reality to the story.
Man, that man was an alligator. It's an alligator
Saying
like that
some-
in every community.
Nah,
These
that's what I'm telling
niggas
you.
is out here right now
Niggas
playing like
been
that.
blessed
They,
to not have
what it
had
is, you gotta
friends.
know how to avoid
Partners
these
like
niggas,
that.
and you gotta know how to peep and see through these niggas. Q knew the nigga was no good. Q knew that. Even Q little brother, he tried to warn his little brother. Q knew the nigga wasn't no good, but the fat boy didn't know no better, and Raheem was just gullible. Q knew that nigga wasn't no good, and then Q and Bishop was real homies. They was more tighter than out of everybody out that clique. Bishop looked up to Q.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Okay.
Bishop got that juice, and you see blaming it on
That's
Robert.
what I'm saying. They had, they had a psychopath amongst them, and they
He
ain't
felt
know
that
it.
nigga was checking him
They
about
just
that
didn't
shit.
know it, fam.
Nah, man. They fell out that day when that man was robbing that place, man, and they ain't go in there. And Bishop, and he.
That's one thing I'm making a point about.
That was it. That was it.
They didn't know that this man was actually a fucking psychopath
Yeah, they didn't know.
because his behavior
Changed.
after he caught that, after he did old man,
Old man.
Quilla, he didn't mind killing Rodamez in the alley. He ready, you know what I'm saying? He killed his own partner. He was drove. And that was already brewing in him. And his partners, they ain't know this nigga internal issues and shit. But the boy really had issues where he wanted to he probably the reason that Raheem wanted to hit the lick with and do the shit, the rob the shit.
He told, it was his plan.
feel
It
me?
was his plan. He put Raheem up on it. Bishop,
That's what I'm saying.
Bishop got everything in motion. That the way it goes.
That's what I'm telling you. That shit is that's why I said they had a bad friend with him that was a actual psychopath. He wasn't just a bad kid that'll do something as extreme as rob a store. Robbing a
he
store.
wasn't a killer.
Okay, we robbed the store.
Right.
That's extreme.
That's strange.
But
But he wasn't gonna be home
he went and he killed Quilla
for no reason.
and he killed Raheem.
Raheem.
And he killed Rodamez. And he
shot,
tried to kill
Fat Boy.
Bishop. Not Bishop.
Q and Fat Boy.
Fat Boy. Well, I forgot his name. Hold on. But yeah, man, this a psychopath. And he trying to intimidate us. And you know what I mean? The nigga came to the repast, funeral, and all of those. He was so disrespectful with it. Showing up at niggas' lockers and shit. Nigga came.
They can't go to school.
Like, so he think he is crazy. Well, yo,
He one of the Malpo ad niggas. Yep, Alpo was like that. Be your friend, tell you want 75 keys, and he gonna meet you there. And then he bring what's his name and them Wayne Perry in them. You come up dead.
Like, why you got them?
The deal, what is Wayne
What they
Perry
here
and Tank?
for?
I mean, like Tank was, man, how I heard that story, how what's name broke the story down on that DC shit.
Mm-hmm.
And the nigga Tank, man, shouldn't have knew better, man. He already knew he fucking little big head Gary old lady. And everybody know Alport Shiesty, nigga. And you got Wayne Perry Shiesty ass with y'all. Come on, man. It's too many hits going on. I'm bringing my little, whatever the little ears nigga, whatever. Couple niggas going with me to go meet these niggas. I'm not going nowhere to meet them niggas by myself. And if I do, they gonna be scouted out. I'm gonna make sure, nigga, if I go down, they going with me. I ain't just, yeah, I'm going, I'll meet you by myself. You think I'm by myself, but nigga, there's some niggas with me, nigga. You type of niggas anyway. Y'all got question marks behind y'all name, like you said.
With no nigga.
Yeah, you ain't supposed to be doing no business. But yeah, he ain't had no hit. Talking about this the last deal and all this here doing. That was some sour shit. Them niggas, yeah.
I ain't doing no business with no nigga. I gotta do all that. Nigga, that dangerous. Nigga, stay the
Well, stay away
from me, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because you gonna make me be dangerous. I can't deal with you without being a reflection of what you are. Like, how the fuck I'ma fuck with you? You feel me? Birds of a feather flock together. I ain't fucking with you if I ain't on what you on, my nigga. You feel me? Like, stay away from me, my nigga. You know, I ain't doing all that. Y'all niggas some robber niggas. Y'all might rob. I done heard y'all done it. Now I got my arms up. I'm armed. I'm alert, and I ain't fucking with nobody. I gotta do all
alert.
That.
I said fuck all that real nigga shit.
I'm not fucking with.
And a lot of niggas don't know how to do that, man.
They be taking risks and they be swearing it's a pot of gold at the end of that rainbow. But nigga, it could be your death. It could be a whole ass feds. A whole ass nigga put you with them loud. Nigga, you know what I'm saying? Niggas be doing all kind of shit, weird ass shit. And you swear you thought they was some stiff niggas because you see they got some motion, but
really
that shit be sometimes that shit be cap.
Yeah, a lot of cap. Of course.
Or either for the feds.
It's either jacking or for the feds. Either one.
Tell you, man, motherfucker come around a nigga that they know got their own motion.
Yeah.
Act like they got motion.
Put you in the blender.
Somebody.
You been there, they didn't push.
Away, man. Yo, motherfucker, the nigga that prepare your tax might tell you about this. Man, hey, you ever fuck with such, man? Yeah, man, you be having a such a fella like you. Like damn old squares tax preparer told me about this nigga and put you with the motherfucker. You with the feds some kind of way.
Man.
Oh, I used to see the nigga. Yeah, I done seen him before. Now you all it take is for man, niggas to make you get friendly with them, man. Don't be friendly with motherfuckers, man. Fuck with your day one.
For real.
You feel me?
That's how niggas get caught up, want to go group up with all these niggas. That's what I be saying, man.
And that nigga Bishop was they day one. They just didn't know he was a fucking psychopath. You can't do nothing but deal with that when it manifests. I mean, hey, straight like that, man. Everybody don't know they partner a motherfucking psychopath. You feel me? Straight up, the man had some shit going on in himself, bro.
Yeah, he was hurt. He was hurt within himself. They was playing with him by his daddy and shit.
Nah, man. That nigga, that just period, my nigga.
They must be going hiking or finna go out camping or something. He fully loaded.
They just put that thing on the back of that older day.
Yeah, they ready. They finna go that way. Like and subscribe, man. Catch y'all people tomorrow. I got plenty of videos. I don't know if I'm gonna drop them tonight or tomorrow, but you know me, I'm dropping that shit tonight. Everything getting dropped tonight. Nigga, I wouldn't give a fuck. Nigga, we dropping it. Nigga, we ain't holding a motherfucking thing back. Let's get it.